Hi, I'm Ava. Welcome to Korean Ladder, where we climb Korean one useful rung at a time.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. 코리안 라더에 오신 걸 환영해요.
안녕하세요, 준호입니다. Today, we order noodles clearly at restaurants and convenience stores.
Here is my real question. In English, I say ramen for almost anything with noodles.
Can I just say 라면?
For every noodle dish in Korean?
좋은 질문이에요. 라면 is one kind of noodle dish, usually instant ramen. It is not the general word for all noodles.
The broader word is 국수. 국수 can mean noodles or a noodle dish, especially in Korean food settings.
Today's ordering pattern is simple. 네님 plus 하나 주세요. In English, please give me one.
So I can put the noodle word in the blank.
국수 하나 주세요.
맞아요. 주세요 is the polite ordering word here. You can feel like please give me or I'll have.
Let's meet the four words. First, 국수. 국수 is the broad noodle word.
국수 하나 주세요. Please give me one noodle dish.
Next, 라면. 라면 usually means instant ramen, the kind you often see at convenience stores.
라면 하나 주세요. Please give me one ramen.
칼국수. 카 means knife and 국수 means noodles. 카, 국수 is a warm noodle soup with knife-cut noodles.
칼국수 하나 주세요. Please give me one 칼국수.
Fourth, 냉면. 냉 means cold and 면 means noodles. 냉면 is cold noodles, often eaten in summer.
냉면 하나 주세요. Please give me one cold noodle dish.
Let me sort this out.
국수,
Is broad.
라면,
Is instant ramen.
칼국수,
Is knife-cut noodle soup.
냉면.
Is cold noodles.
맞아요. For simple ordering, 하나 means one item. Food name plus 하나 주세요 works well at A1 level.
If you want two, you can say 두 개 주세요 after the food name. But today, keep 하나 주세요 as your first safe order.
What if I am not ordering yet, and I just want to ask whether they have it?
Can I say 있어요?
네, 라면 있어요? Means, do you have ramen? It is simple and useful.
Now listen to a short restaurant dialogue. The card has the real Korean turns.
뭐 드실래요?
칼국수 하나 주세요.
네, 칼국수 하나요.
I heard. 칼국수 하나 주세요. That was dish name 1. Please give me.
Exactly. 뭐 드실래요? is a polite restaurant question. It means, what would you like to eat? You can answer with the dish name.
칼국수 하나 주세요. Convenience store version. If you point to instant cup noodles, 라면 하나 주세요 is natural.
If you specifically mean cup noodles, 컵라면 is also common. 컵라면 하나 주세요 means, please give me one cup ramen.
Repeat after me time. I will try 3 orders.
First, listen. 국수 하나 주세요.
국수 하나 주세요.
좋아요. Now, 라면 하나 주세요. The first syllable is 라, not English ramen.
라면 하나 주세요.
완벽해요. Last one. 냉면 하나 주세요. Dip is one syllable, so keep it together.
냉면 하나 주세요.
좋습니다. The meaning was clear and the order was polite.
Common mistake. I walk into a Korean noodle restaurant and say,
라면 하나 주세요.
when I actually mean any noodle dish.
Right. If you mean the general category, say 국수. If you mean instant ramen, say 라면.
And if the menu has a dish name, use that dish name. 칼국수 하나 주세요. 냉면 하나 주세요. That sounds clearer than just 국수.
So at a 냉면
Restaurant, I should not say,
라면 하나 주세요.
I should say,
냉면 하나 주세요.
맞아요. 라면 would point to a different food. 냉면 is cold noodles.
Quiz time. You are at a convenience store pointing to instant cup noodles. Which order is the most natural?
I choose A,
라면 하나 주세요.
because the cup noodle is instant ramen.
정답이에요. A is best. 칼국수 and 냉면 are specific restaurant-style noodle dishes, not the usual convenience store cup noodle.
One more quick check. If you see 냉면 on the menu and want one, the clearest order is 냉면 하나 주세요.
Answer A.
냉면 하나 주세요.
Use the exact dish name when I know it.
핵심 정리예요. 국수는 넓은 말이에요. In English, 국수 is the broad word for noodles or a noodle dish.
라면은 보통 즉석 라면이에요. In English, 라면 usually means instant ramyeon. So do not use it for every noodle dish.
칼국수와 냉면은 각각 다른 음식 이름이에요. In English, 칼국수 is knife-cut noodle soup and 냉면 is cold noodles.
주문할 때는 음식 이름 플러스 하나 주세요를 쓰세요. In English, put the dish name first, then 하나 주세요.
Today's keeper sentence is,
냉면 하나 주세요.
please give me one cold noodle dish. And I can swap in.
국수, 라면, or 칼국수.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 음식 이름 하나 주세요. Remember this one pattern, food name 하나 주세요.
다음 시간에는 여기서 먹고 갈게요. and 포장해 주세요를 배워요. Next time we will say for here and to go. See you on the next round.